Welcome all. In this lecture, we are discussing about Kirchhoff's laws, Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. First, Kirchhoff's current law or KCL. KCL states that the algebraic sum of all the currents at any junction in a circuit is 0. So mathematically, we can represent it as sigma I equal to 0 about a junction. Consider this junction from a circuit. So there are total 6 currents associated with that junction: I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6. So according to KCL, the algebraic sum of these total 6 currents is 0. So the term algebraic sum means we have to take the sign, or if you are looking here, the currents I1, I2 and I6 are entering the junction, and I3, I4, I5 are leaving the junction. Okay. So according to the sign convention, we are taking the current as positive if the current is entering the junction, and the current is taken as negative if the current is leaving the junction. So here I1, I2, I6 are entering the junction, so it is taken as positive, and I3, I4, I5 are leaving the junction, so they are taken as negative. So we can write the equation as I1 is positive since it is entering the junction. For I2 it is positive since it is entering the junction. I3 is negative since it is leaving the junction. I4 is also negative since it is leaving the junction. I4 is negative since it is leaving the junction. I6 is positive since it is entering the junction, and the sum is 0. And if we are rearranging this, I1, I2, I6 are positive, so we can write as I1 plus I2 plus I6, and I3, I4, I5 can be taken into this side. So this is sum of entering currents, and this is sum of currents leaving. So we can term it as sum of currents entering is equal to sum of currents leaving. So this is the another statement of KCL. Next is Kirchhoff's voltage law or KVL. KVL states that the algebraic sum of the voltages in any closed path of a circuit in a single direction is 0, or mathematically in a closed path sigma V equal to 0. So consider the circuit. So here the current is flowing like this. There are two voltage sources V1 and V2, two resistors R1, R2. So therefore there are for voltage sources, the voltages are V1 and V2, and for resistors there will be a voltage drop VR1 and VR2. And this, according to KVL, the algebraic sum of these voltages are 0. Algebraic sum means we have to consider the sign of these voltages. And if you are looking here, the terminals for voltage sources are known. Here it is plus and here it is minus for V1, and for V2 it is minus here and plus here. So we have to identify the positive and negative terminals for resistors. For that we have to follow the sign convention, that is we are taking the positive terminal for R1 in which the current is entering. Current entering terminal is taken as positive, means for this current is entering like this and leaving this side. Okay, so current is flowing like this, so it is entering this terminal and leaving this terminal. So this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative, since current is entering here and leaving here. Similarly for R2, if you are looking, current is entering this terminal and current is leaving this terminal. So this is positive and this is negative. So now we got the positive and negative terminals of all the components V1, V2 for voltage sources, VR1, VR2. And now for writing the equation, we have to follow this sign convention. So V1, V2, VR1, VR2. So which one is positive and which one is negative? For that we are following this sign convention. We are taking the voltage as positive if the current enters its positive terminal, and we are taking the voltage as negative if the current enters its negative terminal. Means, for example, if you are considering the V1, now the current is flowing like this, in this direction. For V1, the current is entering here, leaving here. So current is entering the positive terminal, so it is positive, so plus V1. And for V2, the current is entering the negative terminal, so it is taken as negative, so minus V2. And again for R1, it is entering the positive terminal, so it is plus VR1. And for R2, it is entering the positive terminal, plus VR2. The sum is 0. So with this we can wind up the session. Thank you.